is very bad. You shouldn't allow anyone. Okay. So what is this good touch, bad touch? Now we have body parts. You know the body parts? Head, hand, leg, cheeks. You have the body parts. So here in our body parts, there are some private parts. Okay. So what are the private parts? Lips, chest, and this bottom part. In our kaal madhyadalli between the legs, whatever the body part we have, this is a private part. We can see here the girl is covering her chest. Yes. So this is her private part. Now between the legs, she is covering her bottom part. This one. So this is her private part. Okay. And the lips. See here, boys. This is a boy here. He is covering this. Yes, he is covering his. You can see he is wearing a shorts here. So this is his private part. Okay. So girls, especially girls and even boys, you should never allow anyone to touch your private parts. You should never allow to touch him. You should never allow to touch anyone your chest and your bottom part. If anyone touches it, you should say no, don't touch, because that is a bad touch. Okay, so that is a bad touch. If someone touches your lips, you should say no, don't touch. Okay, so what are the private parts? Lips, chest, and our bottom part. No one should touch our private parts. If someone is touching it, you should say no. Okay. See, now I will show you. See, I am doing handshake. This is good touch. This is good touch. Okay. So, good kneeling. Good. I am tapping. This is good touch. I am not touching a private part. I am just saying good. This is good touch. Okay. I can hug her. Hi, Nivi. So, this is good touch. See, if I go and touch this, no, that's a bad touch. If I try to touch this, you should say no, that's a bad touch. See, if I try to hug her and if I try to touch the bottom part, no, that's a bad touch. You should never allow. Yes, if someone tries to lift your dress, no, that's a bad touch. Okay. So if I call Nivi, come here. I'll give you ice cream. I've kept the ice cream in room. Will you go with her? No. Will you go with someone? No. You should never go to a closed room where there is no one. It is a danger. You should never go to anyone's room. Okay? Where there is no people, you shouldn't go. They will hurt you. They'll touch your private parts. Okay? You should never allow anyone to see your private parts. They shouldn't touch. They shouldn't see. Got it? So what girls should do? If you are changing your dress, you should make sure no one is in the room. Got it? No one should see your private parts. No one should touch your private parts. Someone is touching, you should say no, I don't like it. Don't do it. You should be louder. You should say no. You should be angry. You should say no. Okay. If someone touches, what will you do? You should say to your mom. You should say no. If someone touches, what you should do? You should say to your mom. You should say to your teachers. If someone does in the school, you should say to your teachers. In any function, at home or somewhere, if someone touches your private part, what you should do? You should say to your mom. Got it? If mama is not there, you can say to your papa, you can say to your ajji, tata, or anyone who can you trust them. Okay? So when a stranger calls you, will you go there? No. If someone tries to lift your dress, will you allow them? No. If someone tries to touch your lips, will you allow them? No. That's a shaking hand is touching the lips, bad touch. Tapping like this, good touch. Someone touches your private parts, that is a bad touch. You should say no. If someone does high five, good touch. If someone tries to lift your dress, bad touch. You should say no. If someone say I'll give you chocolate, it is in the room. Come, let's go to the room. Will you go? No. You should say no. I won't come. You should say to your parents. Okay? Okay. Now who can touch your body parts? Who can touch your private parts? Mama can touch. She'll give a bath to you. While bathing, she has to clean your body. So she can touch. Okay? Then who can touch? Doctor can touch. When you're not feeling well, when you have fever, what happens? Doctor has to check you. Yes. So doctor can touch your body. When he can touch your body? When your mama or papa is near the doctor. Okay? If mama and papa is not there, don't allow the doctor to touch. Understood? Even doctor shouldn't touch you when your parents are not there. If your parents are there, he can or she can touch your body and check your body whether you are sick or not. So, your parents can touch your body and doctor. No one else should touch your body. Especially private parts. So, which are the private parts? Remember, lips, our chest and this bottom private part. No one should touch it. So, that is a bad touch. That's a bad touch. Okay? Yes? Prithvi, come. This is okay for you? If I touch like this, you should say no. That is a bad touch. Hi, Devasena. This is okay for you? Yes, that is a good touch. Hi, Devasena. This is okay? No, that is a bad touch. Good, Devasena, good. That one? Yes, that is okay. That is a good touch. If I hug you and if I do like this is no. That is a bad touch. If I try to lift your skirt, no. That is a bad touch. Okay? If I do a high five, that is a good touch. If I try to put my hand inside the t-shirt, no. That is a bad touch. Very good. Sanvi. Good touch. Very good. Good touch. Hi, Sanvi. Yeah, that was a good touch. Sanvi. No, that was a bad touch. Hi, Sanvi. Good touch. Hi, Sanvi. That is a bad touch. So you should remember good touch and bad touch. You should never allow anyone to do a bad touch. You should say no. You should say no. Yes? Come Sandeep, we'll give ice cream to you. No, you should say no. Don't go with the strangers. Okay? You should remember this. Anyone if they try to touch your private part, what you should say? No. You should say no. Thank you, sir. Good touch. Yes, that's a good touch. Hi, Tiana. Yes, that's a bad touch. Hi, Tiana. No. Yes, that's a bad touch. Hi, Tiana. Give me a high five. Good touch. Hi, Tiana. Yes, that is a bad touch. You should say no. You should say no. Yes, someone takes you to some room. Will you go? No. To whom will you say? You should say to your mom. To whom you should say? Dad, grandparents. You should say to your elders. Understood? So who can touch your body? Who can touch your body? Parents can touch your body and doctor. When should doctor touch your body? When there is parents around. Okay, when your parents are around, they can touch your body. Otherwise, you should say No. Understood what is a good touch and bad touch? No one should touch your private parts. If someone is touching your private part, that is a bad touch. Okay? So that is a bad touch. Okay? If someone is touching your head like this, if someone is tapping, that is a good touch. That is okay. That is a good touch. This you have to remember. You should be very careful. When you are changing your dress, no one should be in your room. You should send them outside. Even your father is there, you should say, Appa, you go outside. I want to change my dress. You should never allow anyone to see your private parts. They shouldn't touch. They shouldn't see it. Got it? Thank you. How are you? How are you? You okay? You happy? Okay. Let's just talk. Will you sit like this? No. You can see her private part is touching my private part, and this is the. If someone calls you, come with me. Come sit. Will you come? You should say no. I won't sit. Remember that. Okay? If I give a chocolate, will you eat? You should say no. If I give you a juice, will you drink? No. If I call you to my home, will you come without parents? No. You should say no. That is all a bad intention. That is not safe for you. That is not good for you. You should remember. If you feel it is not good, then you should say no. What you should say? No. If you don't like anyone touching you, what you should say? If someone is touching? No. That you should remember. You know what is good touch and bad touch now? Yes, you should remember always this. When you are changing your clothes also, you should make sure no one is around. You should never allow anyone to see your body parts. Got it? Got it.